Yo, what up YouTube? It's a boy DJ 90 aka Master Kids aka DJ 90 Kids. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah guys, today I'm about to show you how to make an Afrobeat from scratch. Without any waste of time guys, let's get straight into the video. So I have few drums which I selected and I have few sound which I played. So let me just play you how this sound like. Okay, my tempo is 115 bpm and my swing is on 9%, right? So this is what I have here on my drums. This is how the drums that I have for now, they sound like this. Yeah, that's the drums I have. Let's start with our melody, right? So I'm gonna load on a piano and I'll be playing that, and from there we can go ahead and work on other stuff. Okay guys, so let's record that sound. Okay guys, let's go ahead and add strings. Let's add strings. Okay guys, now let's add another piano just for the melody, like a little bit of melody, right? So let me just add that. Okay guys, that's it. So right now let's go ahead and let's work on drums. I just wanted to have these melodies right here, so let's now work on drums and let's see what we're gonna come up with this. Okay guys, so that's our drums right there. So let me go ahead and work on other instruments, right? Okay guys, let's go ahead and add sort of like a guitar sound, right? So you're gonna hear how it's gonna sound like. Okay guys, so now let's go ahead and record Okay guys, right now let's go ahead and add a bass guitar. Then from the bass, then we'll add other sounds. So let's add the bass guitar. Okay guys, let's record the bass guitar right now. Yeah guys, that's our bass guitar. Right now let's go and add like a wind sound, sort of clarinet or those kind of sound, right? So let's add that sound. Okay guys, let's record that. Okay guys, so I just added some few stuff there and there to the beat just to give a bit more of a vibe because it was lacking something there and there. So I just went on ahead and I added that and I arranged the beat, I mixed the beat. So let me just play to you everything what we have right now and how it sound like. So this is how our beat sound like. Yeah guys, so that's how we make an Afrobeat in the Afro Studio. It's not really that complicated. You just have to know what to do and all that. So yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. You can go ahead and support the channel. You can like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you into another video. I'm DJ 90 and I'm out. Peace.